Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released, and also the Zombies mode. You're probably right now looking for an option to play third person like this. So first click on the start menu and then go down to switch to first person, or if you're in first person right now, click on switch to third person. And now you can immediately switch between first and third person. You can even set up your field of view. For that option, go to settings, then go all the way down to graphics. And now you want to go to the third option to view. Down here you have your normal field of view and your third person field of view. Reduce it or increase it, and then just go out of this menu again. And now if you swap back again, you have another field of view than before. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.